Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. Jimin, Cookie, who is on door? Cook shouts back, Diver uncle, run inside. Jimin looked at Cookie. What's this, Cookie? What are you holding in your hands? And where is Driver? Cook sat on the couch. Diver uncle drove off. He only came here to give Cookie this. Jimin, Cookie, it's very wrong. You should have asked driver uncle for water. Haven't I told you to ask for water whomever comes at home? Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes, I thought Cookie. Jimin, then why didn't Cookie ask water for driver uncle? Cook, Cookie asked, but driver uncle was in hurry. He said he wasn't thirsty. He gave Cookie this big box and drove off. Jimin, oh, then it's alright. Cook, Appa, open the box. Jimin, not now. I have to prepare dinner first. We will open the box when your dada comes, okay? Cook, Dada will come at late night. By then, Cookie will sleep. Jimin, it's okay. Cookie can see tomorrow. Cook, no, Cookie wants to sleep now. Quickly brought scissors. Please open it now. Jimin, you won't listen to me? Cook, shut puppy eyes, please. Jimin, okay, fine. Open the box. What's this? Hank sent photo album and chocolates. Cook took the album from his hand. Yay! Ginny sent photo album. Titi said Ginny will make photo album of Titi's birthday. So Cookie told to Ginny to send one album to Cookie. Cookie also wanna see. Jimin, Jin Hyang is something else. Shook his head and picked the box of chocolates. Now sit here and see the album. Gave him one chocolate. Cook, Oti, thank you, Appa. Cookie started looking the album and Jimin went to kitchen to prepare dinner. After some time, Yoongi came there and saw Cookie was watching photo album. He sat beside him. Yoongi ruffles Cook's hairs. Cookie, what are you looking? Cook looked at him. Dada, when did Dada come? Cookie didn't realize. Yoongi, Cookie was busy looking at the photo album. Dada just come. Cook jumped down. Cookie is coming, Dada. Yoongi held his hand. Now where are you going? Cook, to bring water for Dada. Yoongi again made him sit. Dada isn't thirsty. Cook, nobody is thirsty today. Appa again scolds poor Cookie. Yoongi, nobody can scold my Cookie. I will handle your Appa. Cook, but Appa won't listen to Dada. Appa scolds Dada too. Yoongi smiled. Dada knows how to control Appa. By the way, which photo album are you looking? Cook, Titi's birthday. Driver uncle gave it to Cookie. Yoongi, so Jun Hyang came today. Cook, no, only driver uncle came. Dada, see, Appa is looking so pretty here. Showed him Jimin's pic. Yoongi looked at the pig and smiled. Yeah, he was looking breathtaking pretty at that day. Cook, everyone was only looking at Appa only. Yoongi raised his one eyebrow. Everyone was looking at my husband. Thought a naughty plan. Be ready to awake whole night. Said in mind. Cook shook him. Tata, where did you lost? Shunky, nothing. Where is your appa? Cook, kitchen. Shunky, look at the photo album. Dada will join you after drinking water. Cook, Patti. He came to kitchen and saw Jimin was cooking. He silently went to him and back hugged him tightly and started snuggling on his neck. At first, Jimin flinched hard, but soon realized it was none other than his husband. Jimin, when did you come? Hyunki, just few minutes ago. Jimin, but I didn't hear doorbell. Hyunki, door was already opened, so I came inside. Jimin, door was opened? Cookie must have forgotten to close the door. Hyunki, leave him. You are smelling so sweet. Should I eat you? Softly bite on his neck. Jimin, lightly. Ah, Hyunki, what are you doing? Hyunki, loving my precious husband, blew in his ear. Jimin, I'm cooking. Hyunki, then cook na. When did I hold your hands? Grabbed his waist. Jimin, Hyunki, please. Hyunki put his hand inside Jimin's hoodie and started his bare waist. What, please, Jimin elbowed him. Don't disturb me. Go outside and let me prepare food. Hyunki leaned on kitchen counter beside him. I'm so hungry and thirsty. Jimin gave him a glass of water. Drink water. Dinner will be ready soon. Hyunki put the glass on the counter and pulled Jimin on himself. Water can't quench my thirst. Jimin, then I have nothing to quench your thirst. Hyunki looked at Jimin's plumpy lips. Only you can quench my thirst. May I? Jimin parted his lips and Hyunki didn't waste any second to collide there. He was hungrily. His lips, Jimin muffled and Jimin was trying to match Hyunki's pace, but Hyunki was in full mood. He moved his hands on Jimin's birds and started playing with them. He was pulling, twisting and pinching them. He knew Jimin's weakness very well. He was making him weak. They both parted away while breathing heavily. Jimin looked at him. Jimin, what happened to you? Why are you behaving like you are so? Hyunki, because I am. Jimin, pick the. What made you this much? Did anyone you? Hyunki, yes, my super hot husband. Put the down. Jimin, don't you dare to lie. I didn't do anything. I was only cooking. Tell me honestly, how did it happen? Hyunki, I'm saying the truth. Cookie showed me you. Your tea's birthday pic. You were looking damn hot at that day. I just remembered our that nights. And this happened. Jimin, oh, then it's fine. Hyunki, what fine? Come with me at our room and help me. Jimin, no, I won't do anything. Hyunki, then who will help me? Jimin angrily looked at him. What did you say? Hyunki, scared to see his angry glare. I mean, how will I help it? Jimin, no need to do anything. It's a punishment to make me jealous and annoy. Hyunki held Jimin's arm and pushed him on the counter. Listen, baby, if you don't solve my problem now, then your problem will increase for sure. Trust me, I won't show any mercy. Whispered in his ear. Jimin, I don't care. I'm not gonna do anything. Hyunki rubbed on him. See my condition. I'm not kidding. Jimin, you look good like this. Have fun. Said teasingly. Hyunki, have fun, Let me show you real fun. Today I will eat you. Started his yellow. Cook, Tata, pushed Hyunki. Hyunki looked at him. Cookie, what happened? Cook hugged Jimin's legs tightly. Cookie won't let Tata hurt Appa. Cookie will shave Appa. Yoongi shocked. But when did I hurt your Appa? Why would I hurt him? He is my husband. I love him a lot. Cook, Dada shouldn't lie. Lying is a bad manners. Cookie heard Dada said today Dada will eat Appa. Yoongi looked at Jimin, who was smiling. Hey, stop smiling and tell him the truth. He is mistaken me. Came closer to him. Cook again pushed him. Min Yoongi, stay away from Cookie's Appa. Don't you dare to scare Cookie's Appa. Cookie will. Yoongi, Min Yoongi? This is how you should call your dada? He is my husband. I don't stay away from him. What will you do, huh? Cook went somewhere. Now, where are you going? Looked at Jimin, who and smiled. Now, what will happen to you? Your protector ran away. Jimin just looked behind. Yoongi, what's behind? Started running. Cook came back with a jug of water from dining room. Min Yoongi, where are you running? Yoongi, Jimin, stop him. Jimin, I have to prepare dinner. You both solve your matter by yourself and leave my kitchen right now. Jungkook ran outside the kitchen and Jimin smiled. It's nothing new. Jungkook's relationship is like this. They aren't father and son. They are lovers who madly love Jimin. Hyunbin were very romantic couple. No matter how much busy they are, they always find the time for romance. Cookie is their 3-year-old son whom they tricked for their romance. He is very well mannered and soft spoken boy, but when it comes to Jimin, then he forget everything. Yoongi came to dining room after changing his clothes because Cookie threw water on him. He already cleaned the floor. He saw Cookie was sitting on his chair and Jimin was feeding him his dinner. Yoongi, hey, what are you doing? Why are you sitting on my chair? Go and sit on your chair. Cookie won't go anywhere. This is Cookie's house. Cookie can sit anywhere. Appa, you feed Cookie. Yoongi ate in his share of bite. Food is superb, Jimin. Cook kicked Yoongi. Why did you eat my bite? Yoongi fell on the floor. You double bunny. Ingredients brought by my money. Food cooked by my husband and it suddenly became yours. How? Cookie doesn't want to answer Min Yoongi. And why so? I was hungry so I ate. What's the big deal? Cook, it's a huge deal. That bite was from Cookie's Appa's hand. That was very precious. Cookie can't share that. Yoongi, aren't you eating by my husband's hand? Did I ever say that I can't share it? Cook, Cookie's Appa is only Cookies. Yoongi, he is first my husband, then your Appa. Cook, no, he is first Cookie's Appa. Yoongi stood up and crossed his arm. Really? If I hadn't married him, then where would you come from? You are here just because of us. We both are equally responsible. Cook, no, Cookies only Cookie's Appa's son, not Min Yoongi's. Appa, give Min Yoongi some leftover food and let him go. Yoongi, what do you mean by leftover food? I am not a beggar. I will eat what you are eating. Jimin, I am done with my dinner. Wash the dishes and clean the dining table. I am going to sleep. Good night. Left. Jimin left from there and Yoongi served his food and fed Cookie and himself too. After that, Yoongi washed the dishes and Cookie cleaned the dining table. It was their regular work. They both fought only in front of Jimin. Once Jimin left, they both again became father and son. They both came into room and saw Jimin was scrolling his mobile. Cookie jumped on him. Cook, Appa! Cookie did all the work. Jimin kissed on his forehead. My good boy. Yoongi mimicked Cookie. Appa! I did all the work. Which work? You only wiped the dining table and set the chairs. I cleaned the dishes and kitchen. Cook, whatever. Stick his tongue. Yoongi, Jimin, see, he is showing his tongue to me. Jimin, enough, Yoongi. Stop comparing yourself with Cookie. Cook, today Cookie will sleep with Appa. Yoongi, no, you can't sleep here. At least not for today. Go to your room. Cook, no, Cookie will sleep here only. If Yoongi has any problem, then Yoongi can sleep on the couch. Yoongi forcefully smiled. Cookie, baby, please go. Try to understand Dada's problem. You can sleep here tomorrow, okay? Now go to your room. Cook, no, Cookie will sleep here. Yoongi, if Cookie will sleep in his room, then Dada will buy Cookie a big chocolate. Cook, Cookie isn't greedy. Cookie won't go anywhere. Jimin gave Yoongi a nod. It's okay, Cookie can sleep here. Soon Cookie slept and Yoongi made him sleep in his room and came back and locked the door. He didn't waste any time to their clothes. They were in middle of intense out session. Yoongi was totally Jimin. As he said before, he wasn't showing any mercy. Jimin was mess. Yoongi's room was totally opposite direction of Yoonmin's. He was a deep slumber. Once he sleeps, then he won't listen anything. So Yoonmin were totally carefree. Jimin's were giving Yoongi inner satisfaction. Yoongi was going harder and harder on him. Cookie woke up and found himself in his room. He went to Yoonmin's room, but it was locked from inside. Yoonmin never locked their room. He heard Jimin's screamings and Yoongi's voice. Yoongi was saying, I warned you beforehand, but you didn't listen to me. Now suffer. Cook became scared. He thought Yoongi was Jimin. He banged the door so many times, but they both were totally lost and they didn't pay attention on him. Cookie fell asleep near the door while crying and banging the door. In the morning, Yoongi unlocked the door and found Cookie was near the door. He picked him in his arms and made him sleep in his room and left to somewhere. After some time, Cookie woke up and found himself in his room. He quickly ran to Yoonmin's room and found door was opened. He quickly went to Jimin and hugged him tightly. Jimin quickly picked him in his embrace. Jimin, Cookie, what happened, baby? Cook, scared. Appa. Jimin, yes, baby, Appa is here. Wait, Appa bring water for you. As soon as Jimin stepped down, he fell on the floor because of rough night. Yoongi went too rough on him and didn't let him rest. He cursed Yoongi under his breath. Jimin was wearing baggy clothes of Yoongi. When he fell, his sleeves lifted upward and showed Yoongi's dark fingerprints on his wrist. Cookie again misunderstood him. Jimin quickly pulled down his sleeve and covered his neck by his hoodie's cap. But Cookie saw his dark purple. He made Jimin lay down on the bed and covered him with the blanket and angrily left to find Yoongi. When he couldn't find Yoongi anywhere, he called the cops and told them that Yoongi his Appa. Cops quickly reached there and bumped with Namjoon and Tim. June, cops, are you here? Hobie, I'm Inspector Hobie. Is this your house? Jin, hello Inspector, this is my brother's house. What happened? Hobie, I got a call from here that Min Yoongi abused a little boy's Appa. We came here for investigation. Namjoon, shocked. What? June, Inspector, you must have any misunderstanding. Yoongi isn't this type of person. Hobby, I will see Dad by myself. Jin, Inspector, please listen to us. My brother is big coward. He can't do anything like this. Hobby, don't try to save your brother. Hobby pressed the doorbell and Cookie opened the door. Everyone came inside. Cook hugged Jin tightly. Jimmy! June picked him in his arms. Cookie, we are here. Where is Yoongi? Go and call him. Tea tucked Jin's pants. Appa, what happened to Cookie? Jin, don't know, Titi. Hobby, where is Min Yoongi? Cook, he isn't at home. Hobby, so he ran away, Yoongi, who ran away? Spectre, what are you doing here? Cook, please, uncle, arrest Min Yoongi. He hurt Cookie's appa. Namjoon, shocked, what? Hobby quickly pinned Yoongi near the wall. So, you have so much strength, You love to show your power on weak people, Yoongi, Spectre, you must have any misunderstanding. I love my husband so much. June dropped Cook on his feet. Yes, Inspector, he is saying the truth. They both are ideal couple. Hobby, so it means this boy is lying. Cook shook his head vigorously. No, Cookie isn't lying. Yoongi, will you just shut up? Hobby, hey, don't you dare to threaten him. Jimin came down the stairs. Cops, what's happening here? Hobby, now who are you? Yoongi, my husband, Jimin. Jimin, Inspector, why are you pinning Yoongi? Him about to fall. June quickly held him. Jimin, are you alright? Jimin, yes, Yang, I'm fine. Yoongi, Jimin, he's saying that you. Please tell him the truth. Jimin, no, please, Inspector, leave him. He loves me a lot. He can't even think to hurt me. Cook, police uncle, Appa is lying. Appa is trying to save Min Yoongi. Cookie heard that night. Cookie came to Appa's room. Door was locked. Min Yoongi was saying, now I will not leave you. Appa was screaming and saying, leave him. Cookie banged the door, but he didn't open the door. Appa's hand has bruises touched his neck. Min Yoongi ate Appa from hell. Everyone is stunned to hear this. Jimin hid himself under the staircase and buried himself in his hoodie. Yoongi, I wasn't him. We were. Jin, Inspector, I hope now you understand what happened here. He's a small kid. He didn't understand, but you understood now. Sudden embarrassment. Hobby, left Yoongi. Be careful around kids. Left Cook. Police uncle, where are you going? Arrest Min Yoongi. Yoongi picked Cookie in his arms. Weren't you enough to ruin our romance? So now you called cops. June took Cookie from him. Cookie, there is nothing like this. Jin, can't you leave Cookie to us if you were planning to do something wild? Yoongi, that was just an accident. I went to bring medicine and this double bunny called cops. June, there isn't any fault of Cookie. You both should be careful. Looked at Jimin, who was sitting under the staircase. And you, ostrich, come out. Jimin shook his head vigorously. Jin, Yoongi, took him to your room. Cook, no. Namjoon took Cookie and Tea at the backyard and made him understand that he misunderstood Yoongi. They talked with Yoonmin too. Namjoon came here to spend holiday together but got witness of the huge embarrassment of Yoonmin. Children are so innocent. They just can't see their favorite person in pain. They can go at any extent to save that person. So be careful towards your words and action when kids are around you. You don't know what they extract from your words. The end. Arthur's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. I combined two requests in this. When Yoongi punished Jimin romantically, and when Cookie saw Yunmin together and misunderstood them. When kids are around, then you have to take lots of precautions. You have to choose words wisely. Kids' brain aren't developed this much to understand the meaning behind the words. Poor Yunmin. Cookie directly called cops to save Jimin. He didn't hesitate to call them. What a second-hand embarrassment for Yunmin in front of everyone. What do you think Cookie did right or wrong? I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.